Stop lying to yourself. Look at your room right now. Look at the mess, the dishes, the pile of clothes. That's not just a messy room, that's a messy mind. Most people wait for motivation to show up before they change anything. Newsflash, motivation isn't coming. It never does. Notice what happens every Sunday night. Pay attention to that promise you make yourself. Monday, I start. Then Monday comes and nothing changes. That's not a fresh start, that's a loop. And you've been stuck in it for years. Most people fail because they try to fix everything at once. New gym plan, new diet, new sleep schedule, new mindset, all on day 1. By day 3, they quit. Then they call themselves lazy. It ends today. Here's how you actually rebuild in 30 days. First, make your bed rule. Every morning, bed first, no phone first. It's small, but it proves to your brain you can keep a promise to yourself. Second, the one thing method. Pick one habit, just one. Master it for 7 days before you touch the next. Stack small wins. Don't juggle 5 goals and drop all 5. Picture yourself 30 days from now. Clean room, clear head. You wake up before your alarm. You move with purpose. People start asking what changed. You just smile because you know. It was never one big leap, it was 30 small ones. Stop waiting for a Monday that never comes. Start today. Lock in right now.